Well, a pandemic, an election, racial division. How has 2020 played a role in mental health?
WANE 15's Brianne Boswell spoke with a local doctor and joins us now with her advice.
I think it's safe to say that this has been a unique year for many, some more than others. Dr. Smitha Patty Bandla from St. Joseph Hospital says that the pandemic plays a large role in the mental health of many people.
75% of the population, if not more, have been affected by this one way or the other, which could cause some anxiety, some depression, some loss of functioning in all of us.
Frontline workers are at a higher risk to develop anxiety. Not only are they coping with their own emotional pain, but also working hard for others dealing with the same hardships. Dr. Patty Bandla has studied and believes it will take at least 3 years to collect data on how it has affected humankind in various ways. This includes physical health, emotional health, productivity, and multiple other areas when it comes to data. She has seen more than a 50% increase in patients. That percentage comes from baseline data. The biggest reminder for those struggling is that you aren't alone, and many people have been impacted.
Saying that how anxious I felt coming to work on a daily basis, knowing that I'm one of the frontliners and that I could be exposed to it. And then I also frequently and constantly remind them that, we are in this together.
The election certainly played part in some people's mental health, but she doesn't believe it played as much of a role as the pandemic has.
So anything that's uncertain, anything that we can't control, tends to make us anxious. So, and I mean, again, there are really tough times, and I think the country has never been so divided.
We want to hear from you, and right now there's a poll on WANE.com. We want to know how this pandemic has most impacted you. Here are some of those results. So far, 37% of you say it's the feeling of isolation, followed by 32% of you worrying about your loved ones. Coming up in the next half hour, learn ways to cope if you are struggling, especially leading up to the holiday season. Live in Studio 15, Brianne Boswell, WANE 15 News.